In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a nav link in Webflow. So, you want to customize your website's navigation bar, and you're using Webflow to do it. That's great! Webflow is a powerful tool for designing responsive websites without any coding, but it can be a little daunting if you're new to it. Not to worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is where all of your Webflow projects are conveniently stored. Here, you'll see a list of projects that you've been working on or have created in the past. Next, navigate to the specific project you want to edit. Click on it and let it load so we can access the project's editing board. Once your project has loaded, you should be inside the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens. With your project open, look for the navbar element in your page layout. It's usually located at the top of your web page design because, that's typically where navbars go. But it really depends on your design, so take a moment to locate it within your layout. Once you've found the navbar, go ahead and select it. Selecting the navbar will allow you to access its settings, which is key to adding a new link. Now, take a look at the right side of the Webflow interface. Do you see the Element Settings panel? Perfect. This panel is your go-to for customizing and configuring the elements on your page, including your navbar. With the navbar still selected, in the Element Settings panel, you should see an option that says Add Link. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking this will create a new navigation link within your menu, and you'll see it pop right up in your nav menu list. Now, with the new link added, you'll want to customize it to suit your needs. Click on the new link within your nav menu to bring up its settings. Here, you can change the link text to say whatever you want, whether it's Home, About Us, Contact, or something else entirely. You'll also have the option to adjust the link settings. This is where you can designate whether the link should direct to another page within your site, an external URL, or even a specific section on the same page. Lastly, don't forget about styling. Just like other elements on your page, you can style this new link to match your website's aesthetic. Use the Element Settings panel to change fonts, colors, or any other styles that help integrate the link seamlessly into your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a new nav link to your Webflow project. With a bit of practice, this process will become a breeze, and you'll be navigating through Webflow like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.